Can you really invest in property regardless of whether the bank says yes or no? Can you do property deals with absolutely no money down? And do you really need to wait until you're in your 50s, 60s, 70s, or even older in order to stop working and to live that life you really want to live? Hi, my name's Karen Goss. I am the Freedom Investor. That is, that I take a outcome-driven approach to my investing in order to live the life that I want to live today, in order to be free. Now, in this Fundamentals of Finance for Property Investors course, I'm going to share with you a lot of different strategies and a lot of information around how the finance industry works and how you can relate that to investing in real estate. We're going to be looking at what mortgages are and how they work, how to apply to the bank in order to get a mortgage. We're going to look at some different strategies as well. If the bank says no, then what other choices do you have, from second-tier lenders through to private money partners? And of course, I'm going to share with you 13 different ways that you can do little to no money down deals, meaning there is absolutely no excuse why you cannot go out and do a property deal today. Now, this course is for people of all ranges, whether you've bought 20 properties or whether you're yet to buy your first one. If you're interested in investing in real estate, then this course is going to share with you some tips and tricks and different strategies that you might not have thought of or known about in order to invest in property. Now, I absolutely love giving back as well. So for every student who buys this course, I'm also going to be giving, through my partnership with B1G1, 1 month's e-learning for a child in India. That's right. So as you increase your knowledge, you're helping an underprivileged child in India get knowledge as well.